Good morning students. Let's continue with the exercise 3 of 2 big states of lesson number 1, 2 big states. In the previous session we have done 2 exercises, blanks and match the following. Now the third exercise is true or false. Let's start with the first. The great poet Ban Bhatt had composed Kadambari. The great poet Ban Bhatt had composed Kadambari and Harshcharit. So it is right. Harshvardhan had divided his daily routine into 5 parts. No, it is wrong. He had divided his daily routine into 3 parts. Right? Okay. Now there was religious equality among the people of Harshvardhan. हर्षवर्धन के समय में जो लोग थे उनके बीच रिलीजियस इक्वालिटी थी, धार्मिक एकरूपता थी. वो लोग सर्वधर्म समभाव में मानते थे. The Chinese traveler Yuan Sang had returned to his country in 625 CE. It is wrong because he had returned in his country in 645. Ashwamedh Yagna was performed by Pulkeshi II. It is wrong because Ashwamedh Yagna was performed by Pulkeshi I. Devgupta was king of Malwa. It is right. Harshvardhan was the elder brother of Prabhakar Vardhan. It is wrong because Harshvardhan was the son of Prabhakar Vardhan. Okay. Now exercise 4. Answer the questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First question. Which deeds of public welfare had Harshvardhan done? हर्षवर्धन, किंग हर्षवर्धन थे, उन्होंने उनकी प्रजा के कल्याण के लिए फॉर द पब्लिक वेलफेयर विच टाइप ऑफ डीड्स ही हैड डन. तो उन्होंने उनकी प्रजा के कल्याण के लिए कौन कौन से कार्य किए? तो हर्षवर्धन हैड कंस्ट्रक्टेड रेस्ट हाउसेज, स्टेप वेल्स, लेक्स, wells, mathas and viharas for public welfare. He also put a ban on killing of living creatures. हर्षवर्धन ने उनके पब्लिक वेलफेयर के लिए, लोगों के प्रजा के कल्याण के लिए उन्होंने रेस्ट हाउसेज बंधवाए, स्टेप वेल्स, लेक्स, वेल्स, मठास एंड विहारास एंड एक्सेट्रा he constructed. Now he also put a ban on killing of living creatures. जो भी लिविंग क्रिएचर्स थे, एनिमल्स थे, उनको मारने पर उन्होंने प्रतिबंध लगाया. He also put a ban on killing of living creatures. Now second question. Which university was made famous worldwide by Harshvardhan? So Nalanda, answer is Nalanda University was made famous worldwide by Harshvardhan. Which university? Nalanda University. Okay, third. What were the chief occupations of the people in the period of Harshvardhan? हर्षवर्धन के समय में कौन से मुख्य व्यवसाय थे? The chief occupations of the people in the period of Harshvardhan were agriculture and animal husbandry. Agriculture and animal husbandry. Okay, fourth number. Which Chinese traveler had come to India in the period of Harshvardhan? हर्षवर्धन के समय में कौन से Chinese traveler इंडिया में आए थे? In the period of Harshvardhan, the Chinese traveler Yuan Sang had come to India. Question 5. When did Pulkeshi II die and how? Pulkeshi II died while fighting in the battle against Mahendravarma of Pallav dynasty of Kanchipuram in 642 CE. Question 6. Who defeated Harshvardhan in a battle? किसने हराया हर्षवर्धन को युद्ध में? चालुक्य किंग Pulkeshi II of South India. Harshvardhan is from North India and Chalukya king Pulkeshi II of South India defeated Harshvardhan in a battle. Let's see exercise 5. Answer the questions briefly. First question. Why was free education provided at Nalanda University? नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी में क्यों फ्री एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड किया जाता था? The answer is the Emperor Harshvardhan had donated 100 villages for the maintenance of Nalanda University. नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी के मेंटेनेंस के लिए, खर्च के लिए एम्परर हर्षवर्धन ने 100 विलेजेस यूनिवर्सिटी को डोनेट किए थे. He had offered entire necessary support for the administration of Nalanda University. और नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए वो उन्होंने फुल्ली सपोर्ट किया था. As this university got full financial support from the Emperor Harshvardhan, education was given free of cost in Nalanda University. ये जो यूनिवर्सिटी थी उसको एम्परर हर्षवर्धन के द्वारा फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट भी, फुल फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट मिलता था, जिसकी वजह से नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी में जो एजुकेशन था वो एकदम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट था. उसमें कोई भी कॉस्ट, कोई भी पैसे नहीं लगते थे. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, विच evil customs prevailed in the period of हर्षवर्धन. ऐसे कौन से बुरे रीति रिवाज थे हर्षवर्धन के समय में? तो इन द पीरियड ऑफ हर्षवर्धन द evil customs like sati means wives burning herself after her husband's death on his funeral pyre, जो मैंने आपको पहले समझा दिया था. Child marriages and polygamy means the custom of having more than one wife, etc. were prevalent in society. कौन कौन से customs थे? Evil customs, the sati and child marriages and polygamy were prevalent in society. Okay. Now let's take a rest here. Thank you. Okay. Now write all these exercises in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.